talk to me a little bit about kind of the future. You're at 4, your
Yep.
husband says 10.
Yeah.
Like, is it going to be 50?
I think we'll probably stop at 10. I think that's probably
Yeah.
where we'll end up. Um, where we started and where we are today, I think our mindset has shifted. Kind of like what I talked about, bringing along more side people who are wanting to improve or
Yeah.
wanting to change. I think our goal has shifted from building the laundromats to building the people of the industry. And I think we view
Yeah.
that kind of more as our mission, I guess, and to help those people, allowing them, to come on, doing coaching or calls or whatever we can do to help raise the bar and raise the level and really empower everyone around us. So I think 10 will tap out, but I think we're going to take a lot of people on the journey with us, and that's our ultimate goal. So
I'm just going to put it out there, Hannah. Just think. Just think about how many people you could impact if you had 100 locations.
I know, the amount of people that come calling and knocking to be like, hey, do you have a franchise? Can I, will you put this here? Will you put this here? I mean, we get weekly, lots weekly.
Yeah.
And so, but I think, and sometimes I think maybe I take it for granted. I don't know, but I'm like, it's laundry. Like, it's really laundry, and I think sometimes we try to overcomplicate it. But again, going back to those things, like if you make a place clean, if it's safe, if
Yeah.
it's friendly attendant, like, and you do a good job at a speedy rate, you're not taking 7 days to do a wash and fold order. I think when you hit those things and you take your mind off of laundry and people, I think people will be shocked about how they can, one, turn around their business, but then two,
Yeah.
where they are starting. Like if, they get on the CLA webinars, like how to start a laundromat. If they can focus on those things while they're starting to build that, I think it'll change them.